This video is how to speed ramp for beginners in Davinci Resolve 18. Let's get started. If you don't know where to get footage to do that, and you want it for free, you can just use an app called Pexels. Yeah, they have lots of good footage there. That's all for free. You can just use that if you want. The first thing you'd want to do is make sure that you have two clips that move sideways. So one that's moving that way, just like moving aside. But if you can only get one that's moving, like two that are moving like this, you can make it go the opposite way. So if you press on the clip that you're going to do it with, and then press R, and then press reverse speed, and then press change, it will now go in the other direction. And also, by seeing what way it's going, you need to, if you press on right click and go to retime controls and press on it, it will look a lot like this. I'm going to do it on both. So now you can see what it is. And you can see that this one, because I've reversed it, it's like this, and this is how you'd want it to be. So now that we've done that, if you press on this, press right click and then press retime curve, it will look a lot like this. And this is where you will be doing the speed ramping, or you can make your footage faster or slower. It's completely up to you. Well, it's just the way you do it. And then if you press on this button here, we are going to get rid of retime frame, and then now you go to where you want to keyframe it. So I'm going to do it here, and then you press this button here, and this keyframe bit should show up. If this doesn't show up and it's not letting you do it, it's happened to me before, just try going out or in, or try moving your playhead around a bit, and if that doesn't work, then I'm not sure what's going on. But now you've got this, you have your keyframe, so if you go up to here, it should look like this. You move it in, and look, it's getting faster. So I would probably get to just under 500, but with that, most of the time you can't press the keyframe bit. I can, but if you go to here where it says 300 and move it, you can actually see where it is. It moves it down, so you can do it, because a lot of the time it's just out of reach if you move it too far. So now you press on it, and then you press this one, and it gives it a curve. So then when you do it, it's a little bit more smoother than compared to the other one. So now we're going to do it to this one, but we're going to do it like the other way. So we're going to move it more down this way, and then we're going to right click, press retime curve, go to retime speed, and just do the exact same thing that we did before. But now we're going to keyframe, I'm going to say here, and just press your keyframe button. So now we've got the keyframe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apparently remove that. Jeez. Going to remove this. So look, now it goes down. It's going so down that you can't even see what it is. See, look. And you can also pick your one as well, if you want it. So we're just going to have it as that. And now we're going to have this show up. Here we go. And then you press the curve one again. And if you enjoyed this video, I have a video right here, which is how to keyframe in Davinci Resolve 18.